Welcome to December 11, 2025 update on the lifts at Pondok Indah Mall. Let's start with the scenic lift replacement progress. As you can see here, the bridges are now being demolished. As well as the old shaft. Let's see if we get another big progress next year. Moving on to the upgrade glass update. Turns out, the upgrade glass for both street galleries right unit and one of Mall 2's south lifts has completed in much shorter time. It took only about 4 months instead of 6, or even 19. So, let's take a look at the street gallery one first. And now, let's take a look at the one in Pondok Indah Mall too. It also has completed, but there's still security guard inside. Fucking hell. What's the point of replacing the doors to glass if the security guard is not removed like the one in Street Gallery? Anyways, I wonder which lifts will be getting an upgrade glass next. But in the meantime, see you next time, and as always, never trust a generic.